Good morning, today's January 21st and today's refinishing project is located in Berkeley, California. Alright, so today in Berkeley we're going to be refinishing this cast iron clawfoot bathtub here, the inside only. The exterior of the bathtub's in good condition. However, the inside it's worn out on the bottom. You have some rust forming here also by the drain here, and then we have some patch right here that we need to redo. All right, so clawfoots like this are a full day to prep and refinish, and this is the project for today, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so we just finished up the bathtub here in Berkeley, California. Let's have a look. So before, you remember there was some rust in the drain area, some rust on the overflow, and then just a little bit of rust down here in the rear of the tub. Pretty good condition. It was just the rust areas, and it was kind of worn on the bottom. Really nice clawfoot tub here, and the finish turned out really nice. 2 coats of primer, 6 coats of the coating, color gloss white. Alright, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.